Welcome to this technical guide on the HP15's FQ. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP15's FQ turns on but the screen is cracked and unusable, you're not alone. This issue often occurs due to drops or impacts that compromise the screen's integrity. If left unchecked, it can lead to further damage and prevent you from using your device effectively. To carry out this repair, you will need a replacement screen, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and some tweezers. First, ensure your device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Begin by opening the HP15's FQ carefully using the plastic opening tool. Gently insert it between the screen and the casing, working your way around to avoid damaging the clips. Once opened, locate the screen connector, which is typically found near the hinges. You may need to remove some screws to access it properly. Remember, the screws can be small, so take care and keep them organized. Disconnect the cable by gently pulling it out, being mindful of any nearby components. Next, remove the damaged screen by unscrewing any remaining screws holding it in place. Be cautious while lifting it away, as it may still be connected with adhesive. Once you've removed the old screen, take your new screen and align it carefully, ensuring the connector fits into its slot. Reconnect the cable, applying a little pressure to ensure it's secure. Now, replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid over-tightening. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is connected, carefully close the casing of the HP15's FQ, ensuring that all clips are engaged properly. Power on your device to check if the screen works correctly. If the display is functioning, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider using a protective case and screen protector. These can absorb impacts and safeguard your device against future damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.